Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting 1 to 3 clear baby photos. Pick images with open eyes and soft lighting so edits look natural. Once selected, open the baby photo editor and create a new project, choosing an aspect ratio like 4, 5, or 3, 4 for prints versus social posts. Make sure to duplicate each original file first so you can always revert. Then, import the duplicate into the timeline or canvas, and lock any crop you'll keep to avoid accidental shifts while adjusting exposure. Now focus on mid-process adjustments. Start with exposure and contrast, raise exposure by about 3 to 0. 7 stops and pull highlights down to preserve skin texture. Once done, apply skin smoothing sparingly, around 10 to 20%, because too much removes natural baby cheeks. Next, enhance eyes and small details, increase clarity modestly, add a touch of sharpening, and brighten the whites to make the gaze pop. Also use selective dodge and burn to subtly shape the finish by color grading and final touches. Nudge the white balance warmer by about 200 to 600 Kelvin for a cozy tone, and correct any green cast from indoor lights. Add subtle vignette and check skin tones at 100% zoom. Export a high-resolution JPEG or hike for storage, and a PNG for composite graphics. If you see noise after export, reduce sharpening or apply denoise at 15 to 30%. Make sure to re-export a test file to confirm the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.